The residents of Qwaqwa are fed up. They are telling Ramaphosa that if they are not getting any jobs, they are not going to vote for the ANC. I know many people have never thought of this strategy and it takes a lot of effort. Imagine 100,000 people, you come together, you gather your votes, you go to the president or whoever wants votes, you tell them you want this and that, your demands, maybe the paving, service delivery, electricity, water problems, and then that person will be actually be held accountable when they are voted into office. You can't just be giving out your vote for free. When you wake up in the morning, why are you voting? How will your vote have an impact? Imagine for the past 4 years, Ramaphosa promised us 2.5 million jobs and he didn't deliver on that. Who's going